Hi, my name is Adriano and welcome to another video tour of LiveAlgarve Realty. Today we are in Santo António Golf Resort, formerly known as Parque da Floresta. We are about 1 hour 15 from Faro Airport, 2 hours and a half from Lisbon and just 20 minutes from Lagos and Sagres. At a short distance we have the peaceful villages of Salema, Burgao and Budens. So, this villa is facing southeast, offering views of the ocean, golf course and surrounding neighborhood. On the ground floor we have 4 spacious bedrooms, 2 of which are ensuite, with plenty of storage room and patio doors leading to the outside area. On the first floor we have the open plan living and dining area, leading to the outside terraces, swimming pool and a barbecue. A perfect place for you to entertain your guests or enjoy cozy family gatherings. Since its renovation, the villa has been kept in great condition, boasting wonderful finishes and state-of-the-art equipment such as solar panels, underfloor heating and electric shutters to ensure both comfort and energy efficiency. Also, during the remodeling, every detail was considered, such as plumbing and electrical system, to ensure a modern feel and peace of mind. To get a more complete information about this great opportunity, check our website, click the link below or give us a call. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. This is everything from the Algarve. We'll see you in the next one. Ciao!